Hey there, we are Colby and Amy, and we're the owners of Hunter Service Group. If you're new to Hunter Service Group, we want to personally welcome you and say thank you for giving us the opportunity to take care of your home.
When you work with our team, you can expect clear communication, honest advice, and just great people who care about doing things the right way.
When Amy and I started this company, we had one simple premise, and it's to treat people well. And we believe that if we hired great people, that they would treat our clients well and ultimately respect the home or business or whatever the job site was.
We understand you're probably reaching out because something isn't working quite the way you want it to, and we want you to know that our team is committed to resolving it as efficiently and respectfully as possible.
So whether we're helping you with your HVAC, plumbing, generator, or electrical systems, ultimately we hope that Hunter Service Group is the team that you think of first when you need help.
Thank you so much for giving us a chance to serve you. We look forward to taking great care of your home or business for years to come.